Lesson 7, Chapter 8, final lesson of this chapter. We are beginning on the bottom of page 636. Page 636, we are going to be graphing and solving inequalities. N plus 2 is less than or equal to 5. N plus 2 less than or equal to 5. When you're solving these inequalities, you're going to use the same rules as if it was an equation. You want to get the variable by itself. So get rid of the 2. So I'm going to put minus 2 under that. Whatever I put on the left, I have to put on the right. My 2's cross out. N is less than or equal to 3. Take this answer and then you graph it. Close circle on 3. It has to be going left. This is the graph of that inequality. Y minus 3 is greater than 9. I need to get the y by itself. The opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. If I put plus 3 on the left, I've got to put it on the right. Cross those out, because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Y is greater than 12. I'm going to take this and graph it. Open circle this time on 12 because it is not equal, and it's greater, so it needs to be going to the right. Bottom of page 637. Okay, 10x is less than 80. 10x is less than 80. 10x is multiplication. To undo multiplication, I divide. If I divide the left by 10, I divide the right by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Cross it out. X is less than 8. Graph it. Open circle on 8 because it's not equal to, going to the left. Open circle on 8 going left. X divided by 6 greater than or equal to 7. This is why I've been harping all year. A fraction is a division problem. The opposite of division is multiplication. Put parentheses around them. If I'm dividing by 6, multiply by 6. Multiply the left by 6, multiply the right by 6. Those cross out because that's 1. X is greater than 42. Open circle on 42, going to the right. 2 more problems on page 638. H minus 6 is greater than or equal to 13. H minus 6 is greater than or equal to 13. The opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. Got to write it on both sides. That side crosses out. H greater than or equal to 19. That's it. That's your answer. You don't need to graph it on this problem. H is greater than or equal to 19. 5y greater than 30. Show me your work. Divide both sides by 5. That gets the y by itself. Y is greater than 6. Those are the type of problems you're going to be finishing up for your final lesson on this chapter. Some of the word problems can get a little tricky. Take your time, try to break them down. That is lesson 7.